Officers responding to a 2 a.m. call about this U.S. Postal Service truck stopped on I-30 had discovered Tony Mosby dead inside. Police say he was the victim of gunfire.
58-year-old man Tony Mosby was found dead at 2 a.m. on the I-30. When investigators were at the scene, they had no clue what had happened. No security footage, nothing. Just Mr. Mosby. Mr. Mosby was a USPS truck driver and had been with them for over 14 years. And because he was on duty, once investigators find out the person responsible for the crime, they could be serving federal time. Because of the nature and the severity of this crime, investigators had to block off all roads in order to start working on the investigation. Over 20 hours had gone by and there was still no suspect in the tragic murder of Tony Mosby. With a lot of pressure going on and still no suspects, detectives think an incentive will help.
The Postal Service is offering $50,000 to find whoever killed one of its employees. Tony Mosby was on Interstate 30 west of downtown overnight when someone shot him.
After we were done, his cousin Donnie actually called us to see if we wanted to go bowling or anything. We had to meet us outside the restaurant.
Okay, and you said they. Who was all?
Donnie is his cousin, and Chanel is the girlfriend.
Do you know him by Donnie? Do you know by his last name?
It's Farrell.
Donnie Farrell.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Tell me what happened.
We decided that we were going to go to a bar.
What happened?
We then left and went to CJ's Dillard. We were there roughly until about 1:30. After that, we tried to go back to the hotel. Chanel was driving.
Okay.
Donnie was in the passenger seat.
Okay.
There was a U.S. Postal truck in front of us. She was driving very close to this truck. She then swerved over to go around him. We passed up this U.S. Postal truck. According to Donnie, the driver of that truck flipped us off. When I looked to the right, and the gun that Donnie had was sticking out to my side of the window.
Okay. How did he position his body?
He kind of leaned out a little bit to where his head and his right arm was sticking out of the window. I had heard it go off.
How many shots did you hear?
Roughly about 3.
And all 3 shots came from the gun that you saw Donnie saw?
Correct.
With Jessica's statement in place, police were able to identify the killer, 26-year-old Donnie Orlando Farrell. When police finally locate Mr. Farrell, they find out he's at his fiance's house, Chanel Walker. So as investigators are sent out to scope out this location, they see Donnie Farrell running out the house with a gun, and as soon as he sees them, he quickly runs back in. With all of this evidence mounting in Jessica's statement, officers are able to obtain an arrest warrant for 26-year-old Donnie Farrell. But as Donnie run back in the house, he now refuses to come out. Investigators then have a barricade situation and they send out their tactical team to Chanel's house. While all of this is happening, Chanel and her mom are safely escorted out of the house. Donnie Farrell decides to stay behind. When Chanel Walker and her mom finally arrive at the police headquarters, Chanel is interviewed first. The first thing investigators try to do is to try and build a rapport with Chanel, make her feel comfortable in order to make her open up more. Once they felt she was comfortable enough, they started asking her questions about the incident to see if her story matches Jessica's statement. Firstly, she proceeds to tell investigators that yes, they did go to the pool and the bar, but when investigators start questioning her about what happened on the motorway, she starts acting like she doesn't know. And she does this by telling investigators that she was under the influence and she didn't really know what was happening during that time. With the recorded statement investigators had received from Jessica, they knew straight away that Chanel was lying and she wasn't being truthful. Chanel tells investigators that after they left the bar, Donnie was driving because she was too intoxicated to drive. Investigators knew that in order to get Chanel to realize that they knew more than they leading on, they had to reveal some details from Jessica's statement. Understandably enough, investigators knew that Donnie and Chanel were in a relationship and were expecting a child on the way. So investigators knew that getting her to tell the truth wasn't going to be so easy. After investigators tell her the seriousness of the situation, Chanel falls back into a corner and has no choice but to come clean. She says that she was driving after they left the bar and Donnie asked her if he can fire off. By firing off, she thought that he meant, can he let off a shot in the air? She then proceeds to tell investigators that she told Donnie no, that he shouldn't let off because she doesn't like him doing those things. But she said that Donnie refused to listen to her and let off the shots anyway.
Police say the two men in the car with Farrell came forward to the FBI, and that's how they identified him. The suspect's family says Farrell told them he is sorry for what he did. Police sources don't buy that. They say he showed no remorse and killed an innocent man for no reason.
No matter the severity of the crime, a common tactic investigators use is the friendly approach tactic. This makes the suspect more comfortable and more willing to talk. But once investigators feel that the suspect is comfortable and ready to talk, they move on to tougher line of questioning.
But we talking about this guy here. But this man didn't deserve to die. You know what I mean? This man that you shot and killed. This man was at work. You hear me? Did you mean to do it?
No, I didn't.
Were you just trying to scare him, or what was it?
That was like my main intention.
Was it just because you thought he was trying to cut you off, or what was it?
No, I mean, at the same time, look, I ain't trying to make no excuses. You know,
Yeah.
I did what I did.
Yeah.
Gotta face the consequences. But
Yeah.
I was intoxicated. Like I said, I was so faded, man. Like my eyes were barely open.
And he gave you the finger, and that pissed you off, and that's why you shot him.
According to Tony Farrell, the reason he shot and killed Tony Mosby is because he was cutting off in front of him and he gave him the finger. So what had happened that night was Donnie, Chanel Walker, Donnie's cousin, and Donnie's cousin's girlfriend were all just going out to the bar. After leaving the bar, they went to the pool hall until about 2 a.m. Being tired of the pool hall, they decided to go back to the hotel. So when leaving the pool hall, Chanel was driving as they entered the I-30. As they entered the interstate, Tony Mosby's truck van was driving in front of them and cutting in front of them. According to Donnie, after Mr. Mosby cut off in front of them, he put up the middle finger, and this infuriated Tony Farrell. With all of this anger, Tony Farrell then shot 4 times, with one of them unfortunately hitting Tony Mosby right in the face.